Hello. Today, first of all, I want to thank my friends from Logitech for this new t-shirt. It's for the launch of the new Meetup 2. Can't wait to test it in our meeting room. Now, we are here to talk about Copilot in Power Pages. But first of all, what is Power Pages? Power Pages is part of the Power Platform. It's a secure, enterprise-grade and low-code software as a service platform. It's designed to create, host, and manage external faces websites. Okay, let's start. First of all, where I can reach Power Pages app. I can find Power Pages app between all my Microsoft 365 app. If you don't find, contact your IT. Later, I want to use Copilot, but where is Copilot here? As you can read, you can create sites in the default environment, create a developer environment. I've already done. Let's go here. You can find the default environment, but also the developer one. I'm switching. Here we are. We have the Copilot window. From here, we can build a site just starting from a prompt. It's really magic what is going to happen. Please create a simple website with a text style where I want to link video tutorials on Microsoft Copilot 365. Okay, let's start. It's thinking. Now I'm going also to personalize the web address for the site and the site name. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste. I want to call it the Techie Daddy Microsoft 365 Copilot Tutorials. I'm going to personalize also the web address. Let's see, okay, it has been accepted, so next. Oh, there was a problem generating this layout. Try again. Let's see if it was just an error. I did some tests before. It happened this a couple of times, but it was just enough to restart the system. Here we are. We have the site. As you can see, whereas all the information, maybe in this case the picture are not the best, the photo, but I can try again. Maybe it's going to change it. If you don't like, you can try again. And however, you can change later the images if you don't like. I did other tests. It was quite effective also in finding the right images, but it could happen that you need to make a change like we are going to do later. Next. Okay, common pages. About us, the Techie Daddy, where a page for the FAQ, video tutorials, my services. So here we can accept, enlarge, and check everything. Done. Don't want to waste time for you now, but we are going just to have a first glance of what is happening with the magic of Copilot in Power Pages. It's a completely new feature, so I think I'm not sure it's in a public preview, but I think it should be. So be patient. It will become better and better in the time, also thanks to our usage. It's setting up the environment. It should take some minutes, but or even less than some minutes. And here we are with the site. Getting things ready. Everything is ready, and we can go on to personalize our site. But how? With the help of Copilot once again. So it's not just a starting point to build from zero your site. With a draft, you can start with a prompt, have somehow a draft, and then you can personalize once again with the help of Copilot. So what we can do in the design studio? Let's see the wizard. We can use Copilot in Power Pages to streamline the whole site creation process, including layouts, content, and more. So we can make Copilot write content, rewrite content, or create a page from scratch, or adjusting some part, adding a part on the web part as a web part. No more starting at a blank space, wondering what to write. So we describe what we want, and Copilot help how our idea generation, also in the case of a creation of a site. And then we can create forms as AI. let's make an example. In this case, maybe I want to register interest from users for my tutorials and let's fixing an appointment with them to discuss about their strategy on Copilot 365. I can create a form to collect the information from the visitor of my site. We have Copilot here, ready. Data form, just we make an example. I'm centering I can certainly help you with that form. Start with the suggestion below. Can you tell me more about the form you like to create? So we want an help from Copilot. Clicking on the sparks, we can see which action we can make, create a new page, create a new section on a page, create a new form, create a color theme. We can change also the color. How easier is to tell to Copilot, change this label on all the pages of this site. Imagine we have a site with 10 pages. It's really faster than ever. I'm going to ask to create a new form. Okay, but what type of form? Create a new form to record user name, email, and notes of my site's visitor. Okay, in around 30 seconds, 1 minute, Copilot has found the final solution is proposing me to use an existing table in the Dataverse or to specific for the one I want to use as other option or create new table. I'm going to say, okay, I want to use the user table already present in the Dataverse as a form of template. Great, I'm going to use username, email. Okay. Email, username. Next. Quite easy. Next step. Email, primary email. Keep form. I like it. Already done. Magic once again. Okay. Now we can use Copilot also for many other purposes in Power Pages. One of these is to get a better content. In this case, I want to rewrite this statement. I'm not happy with this. It's creating a new text starting from the one I had written before. In this case, I want to replace the text. I'm happier with this one. I can close Copilot, I can open it whenever I want, and I can also have a preview of my site to understand if everything is clear for everyone. Then we have something more, and I think it's one of the most interesting things that we can have with Power Pages and Copilot. We can add Copilot also at the site level. I mean, on the external website, once published, you can add a Copilot to make intelligent search on your site. So end user, visitor can have a Copilot and a chatbot and assistant to walk through all your site. Incredible. Here, our site available for a check for everyone, or better, at the beginning the site is in a private version, then you can open to everyone, but as have you seen, in less than 10 minutes you have a site already created with the help of Copilot for Power Pages.